Well, hello everyone. I'm Jen.
And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe
On the go. Jennifer, how are you?
I don't know why this keeps happening to us, but we always seem to have the best free upgrade hotel room luck.
I don't know. I'm not sure, but...
So we just literally left Disney Springs, picked up our luggage from Bell Services, took an Uber over to the Gaylord Palms because that's our new home for the next couple nights. Our room was perfectly ready when we got here. Didn't have to go to the front desk. We got the notification on the phone right before our car picked us up. And we're in a suite.
Yes.
Like, this is beautiful, and now I'm sad that we didn't stay here the whole time.
Yeah, well...
So, let's give you the tour, because just amazed. So, you walk in, and to the right, we have a nice big closet, ironing board, luggage stand, hangers, extra pillows and sheets, maybe?
Yeah, looks like a blanket.
Then to the left... we have a huge double sink vanity. Wow, and it is a blue basil and sandalwood Relish spa products.
All right.
And then you turn around, you've got nice big shower and toilet. I will say too, this cold floor feels phenomenal on my feet.
Yeah. So let's see.
And you know what, too?
Shampoo, conditioner. So it's this blue basil brand. Looks
I think
like.
it's the spa here.
Yeah. Blue basil product. Regular shower head. Okay, but yeah, shower looks really nice. You got a little bench there.
So I do not like carpets in hotel rooms. It just feels skeevy, but this feels like it was freshly washed. It does not feel icky.
Yeah, it doesn't.
So you walk in
okay.
and you've got a nice desk area with your coffee. Ooh. All kinds of little stuff in here, kinds of goodies.
Coffee and tea.
Got a couch, chair, tables, TV. This is a nice big living space.
What's in the cabinet here?
Probably nothing.
Refrigerator?
Yeah, here, mini fridge, which we have stuff we have to put in there. But then you walk over here and it's a king size bed, nightstand on each side, ceiling fan, chest of drawers with another TV. Ooh, got the safe. Thanks.
Let's turn this light on as well. See a little better. There we go.
More drawers, they're nice and deep. Looks like you got 3 of them.
Yep.
But then, the piece de resistance of this room, if you will follow me, please.
Back out to the living area.
We have a balcony.
We do have a balcony.
But what does it look at? I'm sure you're all wondering. And I cannot wait to tour this resort with you all because... So, how do you unlock it?
Just turn. There you go.
Okay,
Yeah.
that was...
I think it was just a little stuck.
Look at our view! I am definitely sitting out here with a cocktail or a cup of coffee.
So the Gaylord Palms is not even 10 minutes from Coronado Springs. We left there, came here. This is a convention center run by Marriott. And the interior here is like you're outside. It is hot.
It is.
Well, we have the glass ceiling, so all the sunlight comes in. It is warm. The room is comfortable. The room has air conditioning, but out here is warm. And you've got outdoor seating area. You've got, I'm sure you can hear the water features.
But when we were down there, it felt air conditioned. Is it just because we're higher up?
Yeah,
close to the
especially
glass?
especially because we're close to the glass, the heat rises. Yeah,
Wow.
definitely.
I cannot wait to see this lit up at night.
Yeah. It is
So,
really beautiful.
Again, I think we paid for a room that looked out to the road at the convention
Yeah.
center, because I think the Orlando Convention Center is across the street, and this is what we were given.
Yeah.
So, no complaints. Grateful to the hotel gods for the upgrade.
Yeah, it's really very nice.
It's beautiful. I love this.
Very nice.
So now we're going to get changed, we're going to get organized, freshen up a little bit, and then we're going to tour.
Yes. So overall, really lovely room. The resort itself is beautiful. I was here in 2016. I came here for work. Love this place, and for 8 years I said to Jen, we need to check it out, we need to stay there, and this just came up. Again, it's run by Marriott, so good brand with a good reputation for nice rooms across their division. And so we're here for 2 days, 2 nights, and gonna enjoy every minute of it.
And we are staying free with points.
Yes.
But we did not pay for this upgrade. We paid for a regular room with the worst view.
Yeah, and they just gave us the upgrade, so we need to. And I did everything through the Marriott app. Checked in
which was
earlier
really
today.
easy.
Said 3:00 check-in time. We were leaving Coronado Springs at 2:30, and boom, room's ready. So doing the mobile key on the phone, didn't even have to go to the desk, and here we are. So
Wow. So don't forget to
Yeah.
like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action, because
we're here. This is gonna
here.
be great. And I'm gonna definitely show you a lot more of the resort. So tune in for those videos where we'll.
and it's supposed to have a great pool.
Yes, I was gonna say, show you the resort inside and out, especially the pool, because it's supposed to be beautiful.
Yeah.
So anyway, all right.
All right.
Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.